At the heart of innovation and sustainability, Ecolant is born, the world's first 100% recyclable lantern. Its body, made entirely of paper with no plastic and no glue, is certified according to European fire safety standards and fully designed for recycling. A special treatment makes it resistant to weather conditions and rain. At the core of the lantern is biomass, a paraffin-free fuel that ensures a stable flame, long-lasting burn time, and a powerful light effect. The metal parts can be easily separated, making disposal simple and responsible. Ecolant allows you to write, draw, and create memories directly on its surface, turning each lantern into a personal message. Thanks to digital printing, Ecolant offers full design customization, even in smaller production runs. From intimate personal moments to large-scale collective installations, Ecolant brings people together and illuminates what matters most. Ecolant, an award-winning innovation, light that respects nature.